Alrighty, so we are logged on to Walmart Spark. I have done one order already and I'm on order number 2. The second order is a straight up banger. First order came in at $12. Wait, was it 12 bucks? Yes, it actually was $12 even, and it probably was an $8 no tip order that got declined from the first hour, and it probably got pushed on to the second hour, which was the 9:45 time slot. Got that one done. Don't care if it wasn't no tip. I like the miles to money ratio, and it's going towards my incentive. I think I got 6 trips done. But this order right here, straight up banger. $46 even, 8.7 miles. I mean, you really can't ask for nothing more better than that when it comes to first order of the day, first couple orders, getting them wheels rolling, getting a couple points up on the board. It don't get no better than that. That's basically a $50 order. You know what I'm saying? And this is day 3 of Walmart Spark earnings week. So I like it. I like it a lot. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. Here, I help you maximize with gig apps. Right now, we got some great Walmart Spark incentives going on, and I'm trying to maximize and get every single dollar I can, because I'm trying to hit I'm trying to hit $1,000 Walmart Spark week. Look, if I can make 100,000 with Walmart Spark, I promise I wouldn't be able to do it for long, and that's in a whole nother reality. But look, I'm in this reality, so we finna head on over to drop off number 1 on this $46 Walmart Spark batched order. It's only 8 miles, so that's still that 6 to 1 miles to money ratio on an 8-mile order. Order number 1 right here. 2 big old totes, 2 extra cases of soda, and I already took up a case of soda and a watermelon. Let's go. 3 totes worth 4-5 cases of soda, and we got it all up there in a couple minutes. Part 2 of the Walmart Spark delivery, and we're gonna use the DoorDash catering bag for this one. Shout out to DoorDash for hooking me up on DoorDash account number 2 with that good old catering bag program, because now I got this for my grocery delivery, and it makes it super easy. So shout out to DoorDash for that. We appreciate you. Oh snaps, there go the juice. The juice was not gonna stay in that bag no matter what, but it's all good. Boom. Easy $40, and we did it in 30 minutes. Next up, $17.10 for 1.9 miles. Let's go. Let's go. Like what? I'm about to be at almost 80 bucks on 3 orders, and we just now starting hour number 2. Let's get it, man. This is how I like to make money. Man, I wish I had a Walmart Spark referral code, man. I'd be dropping that mug on all these videos so much, they'll have to deactivate me, man. Let me stop playing. Look, I'm making good money on Walmart Spark. I ain't trying to do nothing to mess that up. And if you out there, you're a content creator and you got a referral code, please don't spam it on your YouTube or your Instagram or your TikTok, because they deactivating people for that. So I just wanted to give y'all a fair warning. All jokes aside, but I'm happy about this Walmart Spark order. $17.10, 1.9 miles. Let's get it. I'm only 4 minutes away from Walmart now. Next order on the tally, $24.93. Stop playing with me. For 9 miles, shop and deliver. And guess what? It was only 6 items. We got some toothpaste, we got some Claritin, we got some milk, we got 2 things of mac and cheese, and some baby wipes. And that was it. And I'm about to drive this 9 miles away. This is order number 4. I think this order right here puts me at 10 trips towards my incentive. I need 2 more to get an extra 36 bucks. That's a full tank of gas. And this order put me at $100 on the day. Let's get it. It's 12 o'clock, so I got the whole day ahead of me. I got time to go home and edit a video. I got time to do a live stream. I'm about to make like 10 YouTube shorts so I can get this channel popping. Another successful Walmart Spark shop and deliver. This is order number 4, $100, 3 hours, easy money. Today is Thursday, and we doing good, guys. So this is turning out to be the best earnings week so far for me here on Walmart Spark, sitting at $679.51 in confirmed earnings, and another $41.78. Is that unconfirmed? Yes, $41.78 in unconfirmed tip. So we are over $700, probably at about $721 for the week. And the time right now is 5:39 p.m. and it's slow, guys. It's slow out here. I've been sitting in Walmart parking lot for 40 minutes. I went and got a haircut earlier today. I went and handled some business over in Maryland Heights. What I do, I filled up the gas tank, put 40 bucks in the tank, paid 60 bucks for a haircut, went back to the crib, took a shower, got something to eat, came back out. I said, you know what? Let me try to make this money back from this haircut I just spent and this gas I just put in my whip. Nothing. All trash offers. I seen offers like $15 for 10 miles, in-store pickups, orders at the other Walmarts besides the one I'm at right now. And I said, you know what? It's cool. I could go out and chase the money. I can go to these other Walmarts. I could, you know, lower my standards to orders I don't normally like taking and do that. Look at this. I got an Uber coming in right now. What's this? $11.65 for 7.9. Now, it ain't the worst offer in the world, but I'm good because what you got to realize is I want 2 to 1 miles to money. And the day is almost over with, for me anyways, since I make most of my money way before now. Usually if I go out between 8 and noon, I can make $100. Then I got time to go home and chill and come back out for another couple hours and make another 100. Today ain't that day. I done used up all my daytime hours doing other things, and that's okay because you gotta handle business sometimes. But I am gonna realize that, look, I may not make 100 today. It's so late in the day. The orders that I'm seeing, I'm gonna have to compromise. The orders that I am seeing, I'm gonna have to compromise on them if they gonna be something that I'm gonna be willing to take. And I don't wanna do all that right now because if I take orders I gotta compromise on, I'm probably only gonna get 2 or 3 of those done before things start to get really slow. Woo! You know, about 8 o'clock, 8:30. It's gonna be few and far between when it comes to those orders. So we can just have a look at how we did for the week. Monday, $267.17, got $113 in trip earnings, $104 in tips. So no, $113 in trip earnings, $104 in tips, $49 on incentive. Then on Tuesday, we did $157, $84 on trip, $72 on confirmed earnings. Wednesday, we did $193, killed it yesterday. $102 in trip earnings, $48 in tips, and another $42 in incentive. And today we just got $62 in confirmed tips. No trip earnings for today. That brings our total to $679.51 for confirmed, and we waiting on another $41 in unconfirmed tips, which is an awesome week. I think I made $800 last week, and I'm already at $720. So I'm on track. What I got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If I make $100 a day, that's gonna be $1,100 right there. Now we actually got to scratch off Thursday because today's over. So I got Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If I can make $100 each day, that's gonna be $1,000 a week no matter what. But see, the way I usually do it is I make more than 100. Usually when I work more Spark throughout the day, I make more than 100. So if I use history as an example, I should make more than 100 on each day. I should be able to come out with like 12 or 1,300 at the end of this Walmart Spark earnings week. But there's a caveat. Say they throw on an incentive. Everybody gonna come out the woodworks to get that incentive. Then it's gonna be less orders for traders. So I got to keep that in mind. And if it's gonna be an incentive, they're gonna announce it tomorrow. Now, if they don't announce an incentive tomorrow, I know I'm gonna be good to get all my daily orders throughout the day on Saturday and Sunday. But that's only if they don't introduce no incentive. Now, if they introduce an incentive, I'm gonna have to get out and hit it hard on Friday, and I may have to compromise on a few orders, and I may not be able to multi-app if I'm prioritizing Walmart Spark, because what you got to realize is I'm trying to get 2 orders done per hour when the getting is good, so that I can get it good and get my money in. What's this on Uber? $6.08 for 3.5 miles at Starbucks? That ain't even a bad offer, but it ain't the Starbucks right here. It's the one all the way over there. So they're not even counting the miles it's gonna take me to drive there. I'm good. That's a decline. But you know what? It's good though. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and get this mixed down for y'all real quick. I'm gonna go so we can go over a few of the offers I got yesterday. What the hell is they doing? They just bagging all the way up. They ain't even paying attention. I think this was one of the first orders I got yesterday. $46, 8 miles, 2 orders. That was a great order right there. And then the next order I did, $12 for 4 miles. That actually might have been reversed. I'm not sure which one I did first now. Yeah, I'm not even sure now. But yeah, we got some orders done yesterday, guys. That's the main thing. We made money. Now, I know I'm gonna be doing some DoorDash tomorrow, but that's gonna be a little special sneak peek into what's happening because I usually don't do DoorDash in the daytime, but tomorrow we're gonna see what's going on because I'm trying to see, is it a difference in the daytime if I move to a different area? So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. And if you wanna see Dash and Trader suffer like a motherfucker, go ahead and make sure you tap in to tomorrow's video. Hit that button, go ahead, click on it, go ahead, watch it. And then when you get done watching that, go ahead and watch the next one too, and watch the next one after that, because I need all that YouTube. And don't skip none of them videos. But nah, look, all jokes aside, good week so far on Walmart Spark. I wanna get back to, you know, actually multi-apping for real because I've been focusing on Walmart Spark as of late because I've been trying to hit these monetary goals. And I know Walmart Spark is the way to do it. But I'm really finna start flexing these multi-apping muscles. And you know, if DoorDash and Uber ain't hitting over here where my Walmart Spark hitting at, I'm about to see if I can try Instacart or Grubhub or something else that I can add on because I'm making great money with Walmart Spark, but I want to make a little bit more. I want to try to get to a point where I'm guaranteeing myself $1,000 with Spark and I can make $500 with another app. Right now, I don't have another app guaranteed that I can make $500 with. I can make $1,000 with Spark as long as I allocate the time to do Walmart Spark, but I need that second app that I can guarantee to make $500 with no matter what the circumstance is and be in my area too. That's the main thing because I know if I just straight up pick a whole new area, I can make the money with DoorDash or Uber, but how is Walmart Spark hitting over in that other area? That's really what I'm worried about. So we're gonna have to see what we can do for this area. And if we can't make it shake, I know that Shrewsbury is good for Spark, and I know that South County area is good for Spark, but what you gotta realize is that's a long way from home. And if I'm gonna be driving over there every day just to Spark, I got to have something that's gonna be making me some extra money too on the side, because it ain't a guarantee that Spark is gonna hit every day. But that's just what I'm planning for the next couple weeks as far as the multi-apping goes. As far as the other things go, we're gonna be having some different kind of content coming out very soon, because I'm gonna start adding in some day trading into the mix. I got my traveling trading station. I'm about to get the laptop. I'm about to get the extra monitors. I'm about to get my GoPro Hero 11 Mini. I'm about to get it all, and I'm about to pack it all into the car. And I'm even get me like a little computer stand, kind of like how the police officers be having, where they got their little computer propped up right here above they, you know what I'm saying, gear changer and everything. I'm gonna have a laptop sitting right here. That way I can keep an eye on the stocks and an eye on the market, you know, some charts all day while I'm working. And I'm really gonna be making that transition over to actually being the dashing trader. Lately, like not lately, for the past year, I've been the dash. I know y'all call me trader, but I've been dasher, because I've been dashing. I'm about to for real be trader, and I'm about to for real step into my full name as the dashing trader, and I'm about to be out here dashing and trading at the same damn time, just like Future. Stop playing with me. So we're gonna get that set up, and we're gonna have a lot of equipment that we're gonna have to buy, and it's gonna be a lot of Amazon product links down in the description of these videos, because I'm trying to get all that money back. You think I just got money falling off of trees over here? Hell to hell no. Shit, I got to work just like you, and that means every dollar I spend on equipment, I need that back. That's an investment into this YouTube channel. What is you saying? Stop playing with me. But the ultimate goal is to one day actively day trade the market every single day and try to pull just a little bit of profit out of it, so that I don't gotta work so hard and I can enjoy my time with my family, because that's really what it's all about. You know, I never came on YouTube to just be trader. I came on here to be the dashing trader, so I can show y'all how to do it and how to max. The same way I done showed you guys how to maximize using DoorDash and Uber and Walmart and Grubhub and all these apps. I want to show you guys how to maximize in the stock market and really take advantage of some low float intraday move that's happening every single day that the average person don't even know and don't even have the resources and the information to make a move on these plays that's happening in the stock market every single day. And these are cheap stocks that you can buy 50 to 100 shares of it, or maybe a couple thousand, and you can look for a 10 to 20% move on these stocks, and you can do that every single day, make you some profits, and it's scalable too. You know, you can start small, 25 shares. You can start with 100 shares, work your way up to now you trading with about 500 shares. Now you making some profit. Now you trading with 1,000 shares, and now, you know, on a 10-cent move, you can make $100 like it ain't nothing. You know how long it takes to make $100 with DoorDash, and you know how quickly you can make $100 in the stock market. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So look, if you rocking with me and you want to be a dashing trader yourself, you want to make that transition from, you know, doing DoorDash and dashing and doing Walmart Spark and point pickup and Roadie, you want to make that transition and start making your money work for you, make sure you follow Trader, make sure you follow this channel, and make sure you watch all my videos and don't skip none of them. Stop playing with me.